Chihuahua barking sounds affects Chihuahua barking noise so non-stop. This is Chihuahua barking sounds effect, which has a lot of benefit for keeping home when owners are not at home. Small breed dogs, especially Chihuahua, are well known for their habits of barking more than their larger breed. Barking assaults people, other dogs, the doorbell, and even when left home alone, can become embarrassing, annoying, and uncomfortable for the humans in the household. If there is another dog around, the Chihuahua may get defensive and want to protect its territory. They will bark and exhibit other behaviors to show other animals that this is their domain. They may bark when it comes to their home. They create that toys, and food. These barks are typically loud and aggressive and can result in someone or another animal getting bit or attacked. Your Chihuahua expressing this kind of dominant behavior and parking problem in the home can lead to other bad behavior if it is not addressed. If you don't have enough money to raise a dog, you can use this video when you are sad or simple you want to go out. Okay, that's all. If you see this a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.